So I can put this video up. Okay, so far we've got this with our like kind of 2-finger G shape and now 2-finger sort of C shape, 3rd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string. So we've got 3 O2, and you're thinking of that O2 as one thing. Bum bum, 3 O2, 3 3 2 O2, and then this bit. It's kind of, it looks tricky, but it's actually easier because we're going to think of this O2O as one thing as well. So the O2O, try and think of that as one little cluster. Yeah, and you'll be using again, you'll be this shape again, so 1st and 2nd fingers for that G shape. So you got 2nd finger on the 3rd fret. What have you got going on there?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so you're going bam, and then O to O. Let's hear it.
Wait,
So make sure you hit the 3rd fret and the 6th string first. That's okay. Let's just work on this little cluster. O to O, so the O2 in the 5th, and then the O in the 4 after that.
there.
So okay, we'll just work on these 3 notes, okay? So don't worry about that 3. We just say O to O. So it sounds like this. So O to O. Yep, just work on that. Just keep playing that a few times before until that becomes. So play it a few times until it feels like it's just one thing. Perfect, man. Now try and put that note before it. Perfect, man. And again. Make sure it's the 2nd fret. So with your 1st finger. And you don't want to be using any fingers apart from your 1st and 2nd for the whole intro. Okay, now I want you to try and cluster 3 notes together. So these 2, 3 2 O. So you're going. So 2nd finger, 1st finger, open. Yep. Nice one, man. And then you just finish it off 3rd fret and the 6th string. Cool. If we put those 2 strings together. Perfect, man. So this whole intro is much, much easier if you think of those as little clusters rather than trying to like figure out 6 notes. Just think of 2 little things, 2 movements. So that movement and that movement. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Let's hear the whole intro. So right from the start. So imagine, for that bit, imagine you just playing the start of a C chord. So you're going... So if you're holding down that shape there, Kit, the 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, you can just press your 5th string and then 4th string and lift up your finger. So get the shape down and then pluck your 5th string. And then your 4th string. And then lift up your finger, hit the 4th string again. And then you go to the 2nd fret. Cool, excellent man, sounds good. Okay, brilliant. So let's pass that between us a couple of times. So... You go for it. Yep. Cool, that sounded really good, man. So there's a backing track for that one as well, which I'll send over to you. But just while I'm writing down some stuff to practice, I'm going to give you a song name. And in fact, actually, instead of a song name, what I want you to try and do is see how that kind of... It's like a cool wee melody to start off with. I want you to try and think of something that's maybe between 2 and 4 bars long, so 2 of 1, 2, 3, 4s, and see if you can think of a melody. It can be super easy, but something that kind of sticks in your head. So I'll try and do one first, just to give you an example. So a melody might be something like this. So that's my opening melody for a song. I might go into chords after that. So you have 2 minutes. I'll mute you so I don't hear your process. So if you get something quickly, try and finesse it. So if you've got like this, try and like, you know, add some stuff. Anything. Go for it, man. All make sense?
Yeah.
Smashing. Set timer for 2 minutes. Okay, man. One sec, just got that headphones on. So how did it go?
Good. Kind of got something and mixed it up a bit too.
Let's hear it, man.
Oh
Lovely, man. Da, 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 da. That's catchy. I like it. Brilliant. So that will be in your practice videos. So feel free to remember that and practice it. Maybe see what chord you can go into after that. That would sound good. I reckon an E minor or something like that might quite work quite well.